I don't even know if I was filming it. The sun was in my eyes. Okay, I'm coming to get you now. Boop. Oh, up. I got you. Oh, I see. Thought kids are supposed to ditch their father for girls when they're teenagers.